Please tell me two member how we live with life. I have to do live with two people. Is that what you're saying? Um, yeah, there is a new thing in YouTube. You click live and then you see at the bottom and towards the bottom you will see go together. You click that go together and then you set it up. You just have 21 12 people in the house. You click that go together and then you invite somebody. You send the link so that you're gonna have many greeting goals. Yes. You know me, I'm from USA, Western Southern Pacific, California, San Diego. 30 people in the house. Yeah. What's the? I don't know how to pronounce your name. So sorry about that. But the one who's asking about these two live people in YouTube. This is actually a new thing in YouTube right now. Just click that go together live. Go together live. That is a collaboration live. Then